Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Looks like China and Pakistan has somehow managed to sell their JF-17 fighters to Nigeria. According to the official Twitter handle of the government of Nigeria, we noticed an announcement that their Air Force was expecting the delivery of 3 JF-17 fighters from Pakistan. The JF-17 fighters are lightweight, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft which is developed jointly by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation of China. In October 2018, Pakistan approved of the sale and local Nigerian production of 3 JF-17 fighters for $184.3 million. These aircrafts are rumored to be of a latest version than the initially agreed version. Now coming back to the other details about this particular deal, Nigeria became the second customer in 2016 by placing an order of 3 planes, and the other customer is Myanmar. Yes, in July 2015, Myanmar ordered 16 JF-17 Thunder fighter jets from Pakistan and China. Even the Azerbaijani Air Force negotiated with China for several dozen of JF-17 worth approximately 16 to 18 million US dollar each. In addition to buying these 3 fighters from China and Pakistan, a total of 200 personnel are also receiving training in 9 different countries of the world on handling these combat aircrafts. There were also images surfaced on the internet where we saw Nigerian pilots getting trained on the JF-17 at the Pakistan Aeronautics Complex. With the JF-17 featuring a Chinese radar and Russian engine, the role of Pakistan appears to be very limited to being the manufacturer of the airframe and provision of training. Nigeria could order more JF-17 jets if the initial batch meets their Air Force expectations. The JF-17 aircraft is installed with many commercial, off-the-shelf technologies from the state-owned Aviation Industry Corporation of China. It includes a new and larger holographic wide-angle head-up display, an integrated cockpit display comparable to the one used by the J-20. In addition to this, it also has an advanced infrared missile approach warning system which is used by J-20 fighter jets. All 3 JF-17 variants are powered by a Chinese license-built Klimov RD-93 turbofan engine. The JF-17 has an approximate combat range of up to 1,350 kilometers without refueling, and it can reach a maximum speed of up to Mach 1.6. The JF-17 costs $25 million to $32 million per unit, although the Block 3 per unit price is expected to go up as a result of the new subsystems, which includes the expensive new AESA radar system. The aircraft can alternatively be armed with air-to-air, air-to-surface and anti-ship missiles. It will also be able to fire beyond visual range air-to-air missiles as well. Even before the arrival of Rafale fighter jets in India, the comparison between Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder and Rafale aircrafts has been vigorously debated by military experts. I'm not sure how someone can compare these Chinese fighters with French Rafales, which is far better in many aspects. Not just that, since its introduction, these JF-17 fighters have been met with several accidents, which makes us to think that these fighters are not much reliable. Anyhow, it's the choice which has been made by Nigeria to go for these Chinese fighters, which are manufactured in Pakistan. So let us hope they get the fighters on time and the same performs well as per their expectations. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.